Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by downloading the ICC profile you need and locate the file on your computer. On Windows, copy the ICC file to C, /Windows/system32/spool/drivers/color. On Mac OS, copy the ICC file to /library/color sync/profiles. Do not rename the profile file, keep the ICC extension intact. Log out of your user account if permissions prevent copying. Restart Photoshop to refresh profiles before assigning or converting. Confirm installation by open your image in Photoshop and decide whether to assign or convert a profile. Use Edit Assign Profile to display colors without converting them. This changes interpretation only. Use Edit Convert to Profile to change pixel color values to the chosen profile and preserve appearance. Access both options from the Edit menu and select the correct source and destination profiles. Choose the desired profile from the drop-down menu and click OK. Save a copy before converting to avoid accidental destructive changes. Before finalizing, preview colors using soft proofing to match output devices. Use ViewProof Setup Custom to simulate the print or device profile and enable ViewProof colors for a live preview. Adjust image appearance while soft proofing to improve contrast and saturation for the target device. When saving files, always embed the ICC profile by checking Embed Color Profile for PSD, TIFF, or JPEG files to preserve color intent. Convert to the printer profile before export if a print lab requires that specific profile. Deliver the embedded file to your vendor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.